Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the Megaman game on Java. In the last part, I showed you to draw the blood bar and the game over state. And today I will show you some to implement some states for the game, including the, the first state Init game, and then the tutorial state. The tutorial day includes two children's day, that the intro game and the meeting final boss day. But in this video, I just show you the intro game day. Alright, so before we do that, in the previous video, I missing to draw the life number on the under the blood bar here. So now we will draw it. Alright, so to draw it, you can go to the game workspace class in origin code and go to render method and go to the bottom, maybe. Right, not in here. Yeah, I think it's in the Megaman class. And in the bottom, maybe. Alright, I found it in the game workspace class. In the gameplay, you can go to the render and go to the state gameplay here and see this. We will use a loop for and draw the HUD frame here with the coordinates from the indexes here multiple by 40. Alright, so just copy this code. This is easy to understand, so I think I am not necessary to explain it in detail. I'll just go to the render and alright, just put here and use 3 instead of, and run the game. Alright, so you can see right now okay, so you can see the number of lines in rest here is just 3. I'm sorry, it's just 2 right now. Alright, so let's go to implement the init game state. Just go to the top and see we have the first state to open the game is init game, and here we will replace it to the init game. And for this state, I just go to the render and here I will use a switch case for the state, and for the case game play yeah, the background map and the camera and the pullers. Physical map, background map, draw. Right, just copy this and paste on here. We always draw the background map. And for all the object, we will draw when the game is playing. And another case is the game over. Just copy the block of code here and paste here. And for this, I will put it in the gameplay state. Alright, and now for the game, for the init game, I just and here I will recommend this not necessary and copy this to the init game. And here you set to black. If you have opened it, the origin game, you can see the first day in the game. It's just the black background and a text in the game on the screen. So that we just do this on this on this game. Alright, here is just draw the black background, and now we will draw the text, draw the string and put it in a game. And here I will put the 400 and here is 400. And don't forget, before that you need to set the colors to the while and run the game. Right, maybe I put this maybe to the here I will increase to the 500 and here I will decrease to the 300. Alright, now is pretty center. Alright, so it's good. And right now I need to set an action that when I press the enter on the keyboard, the game will go to the tutorial. I'm sorry for the work tutorial. At that time I was get some confused to imagine how the different from the tutorial and the intro game. So I put that name for everything when the game is when the user cannot play the Megaman, when the tutorial is automatically run. So I put that time is the tutorial state. Alright, so don't worry, I will implement this project like the origin, because if you do something different you will get some confused when compared to the origin code, so that's really difficult. Right, so just continue. Now I will implement the key presses for the enter key, and when you press it, the game will go to the tutorial, the screen that some some text on the green, on the blue bar, so that the Megaman is saying something for some step, and after that we will go to the gameplays. Alright, so that I call the tutorial, and the tutorial stay here has two children stays named intro game, and for the next day after init game is exactly the intro game, but I separate them in the tutorial. Yeah, and another one is meeting boss, final boss in the end of game. That is also in the tutorial stage. Tutorial stage is the parent stage for these two stages. Alright, so now we will implement the tutorial, specifically we just implement the intro game. Right, so you can see on the top we already defined the tutorial stage constant on this, so we're not necessary to define again. You will just go to the key press to implement the vk enter. If get key code equal key event vk enter. Here you need to check the state in the game. If the state equal init game, you will push the alright, you will switch state to the tutorial state. Sorry, tutorial. Alright, and go to render, and also implement the case for tutorial. And here you can go to the top and see we have here two children stay for the tutorial. Now we just implement the intro game stay, and in this code you need to implement another stay for the game is the tutorial stay, and the first is intro game. Let's go back to the render, and here I will check again if the tutorial state equal intro game. I will copy this and do a little, and here I will put tutorial stay, and go to the key code here and check alright if sorry alright, so delay it for a while. and just play the game, press enter. Alright, so now we have a tutorial stay here, and now we will do something for this day. For the intro game, let's go back to the origin class and see how was I do it. Alright, so you can see the tutorial, the story tutorial. This is just the step to alright, so just run the game and you can see it. Alright, when the game open again, after I enter to continue, you can see the screen is slowly opening. That's the first story tutorial, right, like this. And then you can see here some text here from the Megaman. This is the second story tutorial, and then the third story tutorial, and then is the fourth story tutorial, and then is the fifth story tutorial. And alright, and after that we will go to the game play state, and we have a 5 story tutorial begin from the 0. And the first not using the test array here. You can see I have 4 tests in the array, so that I can use these tests to show on the screen when I read a new story tutorial, so that you can. And test tutorial is just I just get this to draw on the screen. And the current side, you can see the text won't load all the text at one time. It's just show step by step every letter on the bar. Alright, so that's the from the current side here. We implement, just copy this and go to our class again and pass it. I can implement it by myself, but if I do that, this video will go into so long, so you cannot focus on this in detail, because I need to remember what I did right. So that is a difficult work to make the video is short. Alright, so just copy it for fast and go to the constructor, just copy this, copy init to this, and go here and just pass in this. Right, so you can see the test tutorial in the first time assigned by the text from with the 0 indices. Just go back here and go to the intro game. You can copy this. Alright, so now copy this. I will copy this code. Copy this code and put it in the update. And in the update, you will define another case for this. It is for the tutorial. And in this, you will define another switch case. Don't forget to enter the ending bracket. And in here, we missing opening intro game Y. So what's mean for this variable? This variable is just for the screen is opening, right? You can see this is star from the center of the screen. Is the screen height is 900. So the center of the screen from the 14, I'm sorry, 450 50 here. And for every after every frame, we just increase it to 4, right? And so just go here and go to the definition of this and copy this. Just go to the top and put it here. Alright, and go back here. I will explain the update after. And just go to the tutorial render and just copy this code and go to the render, and in the tutorial right, render init game, yeah, I just here is alright, I just replace it by the code here. Here needs a switch case, and here in the right, and for this just replace the rockman to yeah, we have an avatar image, so I will draw it later. Draw the string. Right, we missing the method draw the string. Just go to it and copy, paste here, and here we just use the graphic, not the G2 graphic. Alright, so let's run the game. Press enter. Nothing. Alright. We have some. Yeah, we need to go back and go to the press Go to the enter and copy this. All right. Press key here and in this. All right. Just run the game. Press enter. All right. I'm missing something. All right. I found the problem. All right. So you can go to the render, and for here, this is not a stay. This is the child stay. That's the tutorial stay. Right? The tutorial stay is the intro game or something different. Right. And sorry. Okay. And in the drawer, sorry, in the update here, I forget to put the sweet K in here for the tutorial stay. Case intro. I'm sorry. Here we just in this the alright, just two and here. Alright. And now just run the game. Enter. Enter. And enter. Enter. Finish the intro game state. Alright, just easy, huh? Yeah, you can see we are missing the avatar for the intro game, but I think that is easy to implement, so I won't do that for this tutorial. You can do it by yourself. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe channel. That is a big support for the channel and for growing of the channel in the future, so that I can make many interesting video for the maybe for the 3D version game on Java, on C++. Alright, anyway, thank you for your support and see you next time. Bye bye.